Are you gonna fly it now?
Oh, now?
Yeah. I mean, when are you gonna fly it?
Oh, so that's the
Does
opposite.
Kia know how to fly the old one? There's the new one down there. His cool shit. Airplane. Air Force airplane. Look at Kia know how to play. To fly the airplane. Whew! See, in the house, you can fly it good. You did it on purpose, Kia?
Yep.
Oh, wow. Good control. Come over here, Danny. Don't go close to him. Come over here.
Okay.
Alright, Danny. Fly, Daniel. Fly.
Give it a trim.
Nice fly. How stop holding it.
Air battle. Air battle.
Higher, Danny. Higher.
Higher, higher.
Woo!
Air battle.
Okay. Airport got crashed.
Another one.
Army still there.
That was a battle.
That's the army airplane.
Battle. We just had a battle and I won. 'Cause I hit
Don't do that again, Kian. There's no balloon.
I didn't do that on purpose.
Don't mess it up. The new one.
I thought that was fun. It's a perfect land.
Danny gotta practice. Come on, Danny.
Mama, Daddy,
Lift it
your
up.
fly is really good. You should probably play with it.
No, he did not, because he never had that in his life. So he don't know how to.
Bigger drone.
Hold up. Dude, man. Do it again.
Mine's a little bit off. Yeah, mine's dead now. Now?
Okay. Oh my god, Kian, get out with this big giant. I'm scared of this big one. How we move? Oh my god, get out of my room. Kian, stop. Stop. You're gonna break my glass. Oh my god, Kian. Get out. Stop. Stop. Okay, stop it, Howie. Airland, what's the name? Autopilot, please. Autoland.
Autoland or autopilot?
Autoland. Land it. Okay, stop it now. Let me see how it is. Howie, come on, show me. Where's yours?
Mine's just dead.
Oh, it just died? Oh. What about yours?
Mine's just dead.
Both dead?
Yes. Mine's should be
Let me see yours.
speedboat and chicken.
Okay.